Hello everyone, welcome back iSolutions Pro. iPhone iOS 17 our download shortcut not working. This problem HW to solve this see full video. This iPad 7th generation iOS 17.0 3 update. Check any or download shortcut option available. Safari browser open. Search our download. Not showing search our download shortcut 2023. Not click any other options, no add shortcut or download not working. Scroll down. Click install shortcut. Check my video decryption link here. Now set up our download shortcut. Click setup shortcut option. Click add shortcut option. Click 3-dot option. Click Allow option. Click OK option. Setup complete. Let's use the our download shortcut and download video. Everyone see download shortcut show and then click. Choose any video quality options. Then click Always Allow options. Again click Always Allow options. Then again click Always Allow options. Now video download complete, you can see video in gallery. Now see our download shortcut problem solve. Everyone subscribe my channel and support this channel, next video coming soon.